Akko was established 5,000 years ago, and it's combined from two cities, old one and new one. It's an historical city, beautiful castles, beautiful walls and promenades. Akko is a unique city. Jews and Arabs live together in a beautiful coexistence. The sights you cannot miss: the beautiful Templaric tunnel, the hammam, the Turkish bath, and of course the markets and the restaurants.
Fusion restaurant that mixed between Arabic cuisine and local cuisine. The place just located in the middle of the harbor, just nearby the fisherman and the market in Akko. We're gonna have a local mackerel fish. We're gonna serve it on top of friki. Friki, it's a local dish. It's a green wheat that we're gonna cook it with green peas, labani, homemade labani, and pickled lemon.
This house is a house with 1,500 years of history. I decided to take the chance and take the place and try to make a hotel out of it. It was a job that lasted for 8.5 years. I didn't finish it. This is a common room that is meant to serve all the guests here. Kept it as originally meant. The original paintings that were painted about 150 years ago. Wine cellar. This building is actually built in the Crusaders' time. It represents actually 7 glorious eras in Akko's history.